guys, and welcome to the 16th day of the 40 days of pours. Here is the dried result from yesterday. I absolutely love it. I still feel like it looks like a resin painting, which is so hard to achieve with like an acrylic pour. So I'm super amazed with this. I still love this. This is still everything to me right there. And this, it looks like a flower petal. I love it so much. Okay, and today what we are going to be doing is a waterfall pour. Now this is another first for me. I've never done a waterfall pour. I've done something similar, but not quite that. So what I'm gonna start with is like a little, this is what I'm gonna pour over. So I'm going to put like a mini pour into this and make it a flip cup. So that way after I'm done with the waterfall pour, I'll pull this cup up and it won't be an empty space there. So today the colors we're using are gonna be white, turquoise blue, silver, phthalo blue, and gold. Alright, so now we got the mini version done. I shouldn't have stuck the canvas. I stuck it onto the sticky part so that I can spin it. And these 3M strips are working amazing. This is the third painting that I've used them for. I was scared about using them because I was scared it was gonna lose its stickiness and I'd have to do like a new one every time. But that just is not the case with these. There we go. Alright, so we got that done. So now we'll do our real pour in here. So white. Okay. And I am just going to do like a tree ring pour. I'm just gonna literally just pour it right on top of the cup and let it do its thing. Look at that cup. I always think the cup looks so pretty afterward. Alright. I don't know if I want to spin with the cup still on it and then take the cup off, or take the cup off and spin. No, you know what? I'm going to spin it so that maybe the paint that's on the cup still kind of dripping down will come off the cup. Looking pretty cool. Guess it didn't fill the whole thing. Look how cool that cup looks. Like, that's awesome. Alright, let's try to spin that middle part out. Maybe if I spin the other direction. Oh no, I just... And that's exactly what I need to do. Keep spinning it this way. It's just not spinning. I think I need to spin it this direction, but my spinning that way is so hard for me. It's just so hard. It does not want to go there. Let's see if I have any left in here that I can, oh dang it, I dripped on there. Now let's blend this in. Oh dang it. Oh gosh, I am covered in paint now, but you know what? I don't mind. I love this. I really want to stretch out that center part as much as I can. So oh gosh, I pulled it too hard. I'm spinning that way as fast as I can. And I totally just ruined that right there, so. Darn it. I really did just totally mess that part up. Well, there you have it. It's a little bit of mix of this, a little mix of that. It's not one of my favorites, that's for sure, but it's different. So I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, and here we are for our close-up. Lots of white and blue. It's definitely different. It's not anything that I personally would have kept as a painting, but there's something inside of me saying that this is going to call out or speak to someone, so I'm keeping it exactly the way that it is, and I hope that it does speak to someone. So if this talks to you at all, let me know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll be back tomorrow with the dried result.